Hello everyone, I am back with a new video from the same chapter, quadratic equations. But here we are going to learn today solution of quadratic equation. What is the meaning of solution? Solution means the value of variable in an equation. Now here is a linear equation. You can see this, it is a linear equation. The value of x and y will be called as solution of this linear equation. Same in quadratic equation, the value of x, because the variable is x here, the value of x will be called as solution of quadratic equation. Solution of quadratic equation can also be called as roots. Okay, solutions are nothing but the roots. What are roots of quadratic equations? Same as in polynomials, zeros of polynomial, they are nothing but the roots of quadratic equation. Zeros of quadratic polynomial are these roots of quadratic equation. Same thing is here. Now, but we have three methods of solving quadratic equations. Okay, there are three methods of solving quadratic equation. The first method is factorization. As we factorize it, this is already learned in a polynomials chapter, but still we will be learning again. Factorization, completing square method, and the quadratic formula. Now these three different methods are there. First let us learn the first method, that is method of factorization. Okay, method of factorization. This is the first method. For this let us take one example. Solve for x, or you can also get the question as solve the following quadratic equation by factorization, or you may get the question as find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization method. So the example is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So for this, if we compare with the general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we compare this given question with the general form of quadratic equation, then the value of a is 1, value of b is 6, and value of c is 5. See, factorization is nothing but splitting the middle term. Here the middle term is 6x. So we are going to split the middle term. So here middle term we are taking 6. So here we have as we need to find the sum and product. What is sum? Sum is nothing but the value of b. And what is product? It is the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term, that is a into c. So sum here is 6. Let us write 6, and product is a into c, that is 1 into 5 is equal to 5. You can also take here as x square or just 5. Coefficient only we have to take. Now we must write two numbers here whose product should be 5. If we multiply those two numbers, we should get 5. And if you add these two numbers, we should get 6. So very simple. Now 5 is a prime number, so 1 into 5 only will be 5. So 1 5s are 5. Like this we can split this 6x, the middle term can be written as 1x plus 5x, or simply x plus 5x. So now what we will do? We will just replace this 6x by x plus 5x. So here it becomes x square plus x plus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now what we'll do is we will just take the two terms. Okay, we'll break the whole 4 terms into two terms in pairs, and then we'll take common from this. What will be common here? X common hoga, and then what remains inside? X plus, here x goes out, so 1 remains here, plus here 5 will be common, x remains here, plus 1 is equal to 0. So now x plus 1 is common in both. We can see x plus 1 is common. What remains is x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now again x plus 1 is equal to 0. We'll equate each binomial to 0 and we will get the value of x as minus 1 and x as minus 5. So the solution for the quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus 5 by factorization method are minus 1 and minus 5. This is our solution. So this is one example I took. You can take some more examples and try to solve. I hope this is clear. One more I want to give you to try it. It is 8x square minus 22x minus 21 is equal to 0. Please do try. Here whatever the value of b is, it is negative. C value is also negative. Please take it carefully and solve it. I hope the method of factorization is clear to you. Please try to solve some more questions and practice them. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.